You can make your immune system to an amazing machine. It's responsible for keeping your body safe from outside invaders like viruses, bacteria, fungi, and toxins. There are two main parts of your immune system: the part you were born with, innate or non-specific system, and the part you develop from exposure to the environment, adaptive acquired, or specific system. Your immune system is made of various organs, cells, and proteins, skin cells, blood, bone marrow, tissues and organs like the thymus and lymph glands. A strong immune system is your best defense against illness and infection. Without it, you would have no way of fighting off harmful substances or changes within the body. In this special report, we'll take a look at the top all-natural and safe immune boosters that everyone can take advantage of to strengthen your immune response, increase your resistance to disease and infection, and help you recover more quickly if you do become ill. 1. Get plenty of sleep. Not getting enough sleep can lower your immune response and leave you more likely to succumb to infection. In a study of 164 adults, the ones who slept less than 6 hours a night proved more likely to catch a cold than those who slept longer. When you're sleep deprived, your body makes stress hormones like cortisol to keep you awake and alert, and that can suppress your immune system. And you may also take longer to recover if you're sleep deprived. That's because your body can't make enough antibodies to fight off the disease if you're not rested. Your body also releases special proteins, cytokines, that help your immune system, but they only do that while you're asleep. Your body does a lot of healing and regenerating while you're asleep. Typical adults should try to get 7 or more hours of sleep daily to function properly. Teens need 8 to 10 hours a night, and younger children and infants need to get up to 14 hours of sleep to be at their best. 2. Stay active. Prolonged intense exercise has been shown to lower your immune response. However, moderate exercise actually boosts that response. Studies show that even one session of moderate exercise can increase vaccine effectiveness in those with compromised immune systems. According to a recent study of over 1,000 people, those who exercised at least 5 days a week had almost half the risk of coming down with the common cold than the more sedentary folks. Regular moderate exercise can reduce inflammation, too, and that is known to improve your immune system. Exercise can also help your immune cells to regenerate regularly. Examples of moderate exercise include 30 to 60 minutes of brisk walking, jogging, swimming, steady bicycling, and light hiking 3 to 5 times a week. Notice that most of these are associated with the outdoors. There's a good reason for taking your exercise outside. Sunlight can stimulate your T cells, special parts of your immune system that help fight off infection. And being outside brings you into contact with phytoncides and other plant products that can boost your immune function. It also boosts vitamin D levels in your body, which help your immune system further. You should also be doing strength training exercises twice a week to stay at your healthiest. The CDC, Center for Disease Control and Prevention, recommends 2.5 hours of moderate intensity exercise every week, as well as 1 hour and 15 minutes of high intensity aerobic exercise. So, you should exercise regularly and get enough sunlight to boost your immune system and increase your overall health. 3. Eat whole plant foods. Registered dietitian Julia Zumpano, Rhode, LD, had this to say about eating your fruits and vegetables: try to eat a wide variety of foods and aim to eat fruit and vegetables from every color of the rainbow. Eating a colorful diet is not only artistically pleasing, but fresh fruits and veggies are far better for you than processed foods and supplements. Protein is also needed for immune health. Amino acids help build and maintain immune cells, and a low-protein diet may reduce your body's ability to fight off infection. There are 3 main vitamins needed by your immune system: vitamin C, vitamin B6 and vitamin E. Vitamin C is one of the essential vitamins needed by your immune system. It's important for you to get plenty of natural vitamin C from your diet because your body doesn't store that vitamin. Fruits and vegetables rich in vitamin C include citrus fruits and their juice, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, kale, and spinach. Another immune system boosting vitamin is B6 or pyridoxine. It's a water-soluble vitamin that isn't made in your body, so you need to eat the right foods to get enough for your immune system. Natural sources of B6 include chicken or turkey and cold water fish like salmon or tuna. You can also get vitamin B6 from green vegetables and chickpeas, the main ingredient in hummus. So even if you're vegan, you can get plenty of B6 to strengthen your immune system. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin that is a powerful antioxidant. It's found in nuts, seeds, and spinach. You do need to be more careful with vitamin E because, since it's stored in your fat, can actually build up in your body to dangerous levels. If you're older or feeling particularly tired, you might also have your doctor check your vitamin D levels. Most people get enough vitamin D from simply going outside, where sunlight stimulates your body to make the vitamin. However, if your doctor says you need more, taking 400 IU daily has been shown to increase disease-fighting cells like T cells. Foods that contain vitamin D include fatty fish like tuna, mackerel, and salmon, beef liver, cheese, and egg yolks. 4. Eat healthy fats. Healthy fats are those with anti-inflammatory properties, like the ones found in olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish like salmon. These may boost your body's immune response by lowering inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response to stress or injury, but chronic inflammation, such as can be caused by a high-fat, highly processed diet, can suppress your immune system's responses. 5. Eat probiotic-rich foods. Fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir and natto are rich in helpful bacteria called probiotics. These are the same bacteria that live in your gut and help your digestive system work properly. Gut health and immunity are closely interrelated. Research has suggested that a healthy gut bacteria population can help your immune system tell the difference between healthy body cells and harmful invaders. 6. Limit sugar intake. The latest research states that added sugars and processed foods can contribute significantly to obesity, which can in turn reduce your immune system response. One study of around 1,000 people found that obese people who got their yearly flu shot were twice as likely to still get the flu afterward than non-obese people who got their vaccine. Cutting your sugar and processed food intake can lower inflammation. It also aids in weight loss, of course, and reduce your risk of developing conditions like heart disease or type 2 diabetes. And since all three conditions, obesity, diabetes, and heart disease, are known to weaken your immune system, curbing your sugar intake is an important part of an immune-boosting diet, according to Healthline. 7. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated can boost your immune health. Water helps your body make lymph, which carries immune system cells like white blood cells. Try eating hydrating foods like cucumbers, melon, or celery. Also, try to avoid overdoing diuretic or water-reducing substances like caffeine. As a general guideline, you should drink whenever you're thirsty and continue drinking until your body no longer signals it needs liquid. You may need more fluid if you exercise, work outside, or live in a hot climate. Remember that as you age, your body is less able to signal its needs for liquid, so older people are less likely to drink enough. If you're over 55, you should make sure you drink enough even if you don't feel particularly thirsty. Although hydrating doesn't have a direct effect on your immune system, it's important to your overall health and thus, important to your immune system. 8. Reduce stress. There's a strong link between your immune system and your mental health. Stress and anxiety make poor germ fighters. Studies have shown that just having anxious thoughts can lower your immune response in as little as half an hour. Constant stress makes it even harder to fight off viruses and bacteria. Stress makes your body produce cytokines, molecules that trigger inflammation that can reduce your immune response. Stress can negatively affect your immune system, but managing that stress can moderate or negate that effect. Regular exercise helps, as does mindfulness meditation that focuses your thoughts on what's going on immediately around you instead of letting you keep worrying. 9. Quit smoking. Smoking damages your lungs, which are two of the main gateways into your body. Nicotine and marijuana both decrease your lungs' ability to fight off infection and both increase inflammation. And yes, vaping still counts as smoking if you're talking about your immune system.